Daddy don't like it, and your mama can't stand it, and your sister isn't listening to the rhythm of the rain. It's not gonna hurt you, it just may scare you into thinking the weather is never gonna change. I hear your words, they fall like water, though they burn like fire. I would not run from the pain and listen to the rain. The sun will burn you, light will blind you, but the sky is crying for you. The wind is calling your name, and I hear your words, they fall like water, though they burn like fire. I would not run from the pain and listen to the rain. Listen to the rain. I'll stop talking, my words will end. I'm gonna leave the spaces and let the water fill them